Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another Ring camera video and I'm going to be showing you about the indoor cameras. I previously explained how the outdoor cameras work, so here I have one of the indoor cameras and it does plug into a power source, and I wanted to show you how I use this. So I put these in my windows throughout my home to look outside of my house. And I've got this really great shelf right here that I got on Amazon. I'll try to put a link to that in the description. And then I can just set the camera up there and it does swivel and kind of pivot here. I can point this thing any which way I want. And like I said, it does plug into a power source right here. And when the blinds are down, you literally cannot even tell that this camera is there. It's completely invisible inside the home. So I'm going to show you another setup I have in another window. So if we go over here to another window in my home, I've got another one behind these blinds and you would never know what's there, but there it actually is. And in this case, I'm not actually even using a shelf. I am literally just putting this right here on top of the window, and I've got a little bit of double-sided tape just below it. That kind of just helps anchor it in place so it doesn't easily just topple over. And I've got the cord just kind of going through there, and then I've just going to feed it right down there, go over here, and once again, you'll never even know it's there. The curtains cover it. So that is completely hidden, but it does give me a great view of the outside of my home here on the side of the house. And once the blinds are closed, you'll never know it's there. Now, the important thing to consider is that when you are putting these in windows, that you turn off the infrared settings, the setting here in the app that shows night vision for infrared. You want to make sure that is turned off, because if that is on, it will show a reflection in the glass and you'll never be able to see anything at night. So definitely make sure that is turned off. And as you can see right here, this is what the video looks like going through the window, and it's fairly clear. It does the job. So if you can't always get an outdoor camera up for whatever reason, the indoor cameras looking through the window, that does work. And it works really well. So that is an option. Plus the indoor cameras are a bit cheaper. So as always, thanks for watching.